Have you ever thought that you might decide to buy a grab bag of something and think, ooh, wonder what's in it? And you open it and you think, was it worth it? Well, let's see what I did. So I was shopping on Amazon one day and I came across they're called mixed lot electronics gifts. So I thought, they sound fun, and I think they were £35 each, right? So you got between one box, which was £35, you got between 4 and 35 items, and the other one you got 4 and 20 items, right? Well, the two arrived on the same day and they both had 4 items. And I definitely and guaranteed they do not come to £35 at all. So I am really disappointed and I'm not happy with this at all. So let me show you one of the boxes. I got a little mini fan dog. Yeah. This thing, which I'll show you what it does in a few minutes. This thing, right? And cable. Okay. So for me, I would say personally, I don't think I'd pay more than £5 for all of this. So extreme disappointment in this. Not happy with the seller at all. I mean, I'm going to leave a bad review with them. So the fan, I probably will use this. It's really straightforward. You have the button on the side and then you have the fan and it goes to different speeds, right? Kind of cute. I would never buy it myself, but if I was given it as a gift, or like here, I got it without choosing it, then I'm like, oh, okay, yeah, that's fine. I'll use that. I can put that in my office and that's fine. So that's okay. Now, this here, I'm not, the box was kind of in a language I don't read, so I might use Amazon or Google Translate to try and translate it. But what I want to show you is what I just took it out the box and thought, oh, this is great. So I just think it's one of these fidget spinner things, and you basically put it on your wrist. That's all I think it is. So we've got this here, and it just snaps in there, and then I can put it on my wrist and then sit and spin it. Now I don't have little kids around, so not really useful. The cats, however, when I first took it out and spun it, they were all like, oh, what's this? Now I've got one of the old ones looking, and that's about it. Do you want to come see it? Oh, and now there's a light. So that's kind of cool, maybe. Yeah, so I'm not sure whether it has to generate enough electricity or enough energy, etc. to make that, but yeah. Oh, there we go again. Yeah. So maybe if I'm going for one of my charity walks that sometimes they do in the evenings and I go on, and we normally put glow sticks on and, carry around flashlights, etc. This might be fun, but would I buy it? Probably not. So, yeah. This thing, it took me it took me about 2 minutes to figure it out. Mostly because I'd been looking at it going, I don't see an on button. And I thought, what else am I going to do? So then what I did was I had it hit. There we go. There it is. And that's all it does. And then it just goes off. So again, something for kids, what, £1 maybe worth? So not really that great, because I was even trying to squeeze the top, nothing happens. But yeah, you have to hit it, and I found just against a hard surface. Yeah, so not sure. And then I got this cable. Now I do have a few of these cables myself. Actually, a couple months ago, had to buy some new ones because mine had stopped, most of them had stopped working. And these are really handy for travel. So this one I probably will use a lot, but worth £35? No. So it has one just normal USB plug at one end, and then the other end goes to 3. You've got your iPhone, your normal little micro, and then you have your USB-C. So these ones I find really good for carrying around, having it in my travel bag, my backpack. I have them all over the place. I take them with me when I travel because these ones are quite good, because then you have one cable instead of having 3. I do find you have to test them before you take them away, because some of them are better quality than others. And I think I've had a video, I'm positive I talked about a travel, my plug, my portable travel plug. And I found out that when you're putting the plugs in to charge, say, USB-C for laptops, tablets, that the actual plug itself may only be at a low rating. So if you're taking one of these and you're trying to charge up or keep your laptop powered, I tested at home because I'm not convinced it's going to work, because I found on the plugs that I really had to use a USB-C. Those are the little more rounded one, rather than this one that's a bit more, let's see, yeah, it's a bit more square. The USB-C looks like this. Let's see if it, no, it's just getting blurry. There we go, there. So the USB-C, for some of the laptops I have to have this on both ends, and I have to have a special plug that makes sure it gives enough power, because I was buying a lot of plugs and, you know, spending 20, maybe £30 on these plugs, and sometimes a bit more, and they weren't working. And I thought, oh, it's the cable. And then I bought the plug that was more expensive. I think it was over 60, and it worked. It just absolutely worked, but it didn't work with the normal USB. I had to buy the special plug for it. But as I said, this is really good for things, little things like my charger, or my power pack, my phone, and my e-reader. Okay, so that's quite good for this. So out of the 4, one, as I said, I might use when I go for charity walks. One, I'll probably, I don't know, see if somebody knows kids that would like it, little kids. And then this one, it's kind of cute, so I'll probably use it. Great. So that's some of the gadgets I got in this mixed lot. Anyway, if you found this video useful, helpful, or interesting, then please do click on that thumbs up button. And also, if you would like to see videos on certain types of gadgets, do put that in the comments. And let me know what you thought of Amazon's mixed lot electronic gifts value pack. Okay, great. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. If you'd like to see more, do subscribe, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye for now.